Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So first, make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this is, and then at the side here you see your traction control button, so push it once to turn it off, and again to turn it on. And you'll know this turned off, because on the display here, you'll see the symbol here where it's off, and then you push it again to turn it on. And if you see a symbol like this lit up, which looks almost identical, that just means there's some sort of code in your system that shows there's something in like your suspension system that might need repaired or addressed in some way, maybe sensor, maybe something broken. But again, off and on there. And you want it on most of the time. Situations you might turn it off, say if you're towing something, or say you're in really rough road conditions like a lot of loose gravel, mud, something like that. Just because you don't want the wheels to spin a certain way if you're trying to get, say, unstuck from the mud. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.